ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys. And then this is the second gun. And this is Aces High, and this is a 5-shot gun. And again, it will do 1 shot at a time. Holy cow! Ooh, that went right at the camera. And you basically load her up, baby, pull it back. This is basically spring action for shot-wise. Holy cow! Check how far that goes, almost 25 feet. Yeah, oh my goodness! This is Aces High. This is Aces High. This is the second Nerf light gun that we have. These will work with all Nerf guns, okay? Pellet or bullets. Our bullet prices are perfect. We sell 20 Nerf bullets for like $3.99, some ridiculous price. I don't know how I got them. But these are made by Paris manufacturer. And these are all available at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys. This is Aces High. This is Aces High, and they're Galactic Rangers. 5 soft darts. You get 5 bullets inside this, baby. And these are really good. I love the packaging on this. This is Galactic Ranger, baby. Galactic Ranger. And this is Ace High. Holy cow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and give us thumbs up.